Hi guys! Last time we shared this video and one of our fans requested a tutorial. So today I'll be showing you how to create this large hairband. Let's get started. We'll be using grease grain ribbon in 7.5 cm wide, a piece of ribbon for the centerpiece, and a plastic headband. Our first step is to heat seal the ribbon ends. This keeps them nice and neat. We'll take our first ribbon, fold it in half to mark the center point. Secure the shape in place with a pin. We'll follow the same step on the second ribbon. Grab your needle and thread ready. We'll start sewing next. Gently pull the thread while shaping the bow. Secure the bow by wrapping the thread around it. The bow is finished. We can now place it on the headband. We will place the bow in the middle of the headband. Next, we'll attach the centerpiece. It's finished! I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and check out my other tutorials for more ideas. See you next time!
At DJ Baltic, dreams come true. So join